Imagine having a digital assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help with tasks, manage files, and even execute code while you focus on bigger goals. That's what a 24/7 AI employee can do for you. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up your first AI-powered digital operator using OpenClaw, an open-source project designed to run on your own hardware. Unlike traditional chatbots, this AI agent can proactively handle tasks and integrate deeply with your system. Let's start by understanding what makes this setup unique and why it's a game changer for productivity. First and most crucial step is selecting the right hardware for your AI employee. Security and performance are top priorities here. Many users opt for a dedicated Mac Mini, which provides an isolated sandboxed environment, keeping your personal files safe. Alternatively, a cloud VPS, such as those offered by Hostinger, is a cost-effective way to ensure your AI is always online, typically for just a few dollars a month. If you have an old PC or laptop lying around, that can work too, but never use your primary machine, as running an AI agent with system access poses security risks. Choose wisely to lay a solid foundation. Next, your AI employee needs a brain. OpenClaw acts as the agent, but it requires access to powerful AI models. To enable this, you'll need to create an account with a provider like Anthropic for Claude models or OpenAI for GPT models. Once registered, generate an API key from your chosen provider. This key is essential. It connects your OpenClaw agent to the AI's capabilities, allowing it to process language, understand commands, and perform complex tasks. Keep your API keys secure, as they grant access to your AI's intelligence. With your hardware and API keys ready, it's time to install OpenClaw. The process is straightforward. Visit the official OpenClaw website and copy the provided single-line install command. Open your computer's terminal, paste the command, and let it run. This will automatically download and install all necessary dependencies such as Node.js. The installation is designed to be beginner-friendly, with prompts guiding you through each step. In just a few minutes, your system will be ready to host your new AI employee. After installation, you'll be prompted to configure your AI agent. This involves selecting your AI provider, either Anthropic or OpenAI, and pasting in your API key. The setup wizard will guide you through these steps, ensuring your agent is properly connected to the AI model. This configuration is crucial as it determines how your AI employee will process information and interact with you. Take your time to double-check your entries and make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. Make communication with your AI employee seamless. OpenClaw integrates with Telegram. Start by using Telegram's botfather to create a new bot and receive an access token. This token is then entered into OpenClaw, linking your AI agent to your Telegram account. With this setup, you can send messages, receive updates, and manage tasks directly from your phone or computer, no matter where you are. Telegram provides a secure and user-friendly interface for interacting with your digital employee. Once your Telegram bot is set up, it's time to pair it with OpenClaw. Simply send the start command to your new bot in Telegram. The bot will respond with a pairing code, which you'll enter back into your terminal. This final step securely links your AI agent to your Telegram account, enabling real-time communication. After pairing, your AI employee is officially online and ready to assist you around the clock. This seamless integration ensures you're always connected to your digital partner. With your AI employee online, the next step is onboarding and priming. This means teaching your AI about your workflows, preferences, and the types of tasks you want it to handle. Think of this as training a new team member. Provide clear instructions, set boundaries, and gradually introduce more complex responsibilities. The more context and feedback you give, the more effective and proactive your AI employee becomes. Over time, it will learn to anticipate your needs and operate as a true digital partner. Congratulations, you've now set up your first 24/7 AI employee. With OpenClaw running on secure hardware connected to a powerful AI model and integrated with Telegram, you're ready to unlock a new level of productivity. Your digital operator can manage files, execute code, and handle tasks day and night, freeing you to focus on what matters most. As you continue to use and refine your AI employee, you'll discover even more ways it can support your goals and streamline your workflow.